It's day 15 on the Camino Francés, and day 52 overall since I left Lipoy. I headed out from the Arbadia Hotel in Burgos around 8:15 this morning. The nice thing about this spot is that it's right on the Camino, making for a really smooth exit from the city.
Well, it's 8:15, and I didn't look at the dates, but I think it's day 53, May 27th. Started April 6th, so figure it out. But anyway, leaving Burgos and heading to Hornillos. Gonna be another beautiful day. It's gonna get a little bit warm in the afternoon, so probably have to bear with that with carrying my pack today, and hopefully get through that. Can't arrive at my hostel from my albergue until 2 o'clock, so it's not a big deal, other than the heat's probably gonna pick up before then, so should be there by 2. Only about 20 kilometers today. Here we go.
Breakfast was basic, but enough to get me going. The spring pollen is definitely kicking up my allergies, but the sun is out in full force today, and it's just absolutely beautiful.
I find it a little bit strange, but I really feeling good today, and I didn't take a rest day. I was relaxed most of the day, you might say. Got into Burgos yesterday and got out to the hotel after doing a tour of the cathedral. It was my third tour, so I kind of went through it pretty quickly. Just took a few pictures, and got to my hotel. About a 2-kilometer walk, which probably took me an hour anyway. But got in, got settled, got my laundry together, went down to the laundromat, did my laundry, and didn't take long, less than an hour, and then relaxed most of the rest of the day. So I'm feeling good. Nice cool breeze this morning. Pleasant walk so far. Let's go.
The trail started with some pavement and a few highway crossings before finally opening up into the countryside. I stopped for second breakfast in Tardajos and ran into a couple from New Jersey. We've been leapfrogging each other for the past few days. They're a bit faster than me, but it's always fun to reconnect. Along the way, I noticed the red poppies that were hit by frost a few days ago are starting to bounce back, adding these great bright splashes of color along the dirt path. The absolute highlight of the day was stopping at the small chapel of San Felices de Oca. A very sweet nun was there, giving each pilgrim a blessing and a medal. The chapel itself is so simple, peaceful, and just filled with light. Getting that blessing, it was touching. And honestly, it was exactly what I needed right then. A truly beautiful spiritual moment.
They're following you.
So really scary.
The absolute highlight of the day was stopping at the small chapel of San Felices de Oca. Coming out of that quiet moment, the final stretch required a bit of work. It was a steady 3-kilometer climb, but the view of Hornillos del Camino from the top made it entirely worth it. It was stunning, honestly, like looking at something straight out of a movie. Tonight, I'm resting up at the Meeting Point Albergue. It's a bit tight in here, but the paella they served for dinner was excellent. To close out the day, I was finally able to attend a Pilgrims Mass at the Church of San Román, a gorgeous late Gothic church right in the heart of town. The priest gave a really heartfelt blessing for all of us walking to Santiago. It was the perfect way to end an amazing day.
Chemin d'éternel, chemin de foi, toi millénaire d'éternel, la terre s'aplane, sur les chemins de tous les jacquettes, et tout là-bas au bout du continent, et sur les diables que nous adorons, depuis toujours sans sourire fixe, le soleil qui mène au Finistère,
Tomorrow, Castrojeriz. Buen Camino.